generative AI marketplace is on fire. Big organizations like Microsoft, Google, IBM, and Amazon Web Services have invested hundreds of millions of dollars and massive compute power to build the foundational models on which ChatGPT and other services depend. But why are these companies investing so much money and power into building AI and ML services? So in today's episode of 5 Minutes Tech Guru, we are going to dive deep into the transformative world of AI and ML. We are going to explore what is meant by applied AI and ML and how this game-changing tech is shaping our future lives and careers. And all of that in just under 5 minutes. So let's dive in. During this video, I will share one organization which never advertises its work, but it is creating waves by bringing scientists and engineers together to do all sorts of research in real-world applications using AI and ML. It's just phenomenal. Stay tuned for that mystery organization. So let's begin by understanding applied AI and ML. So applied AI, artificial intelligence, and ML, machine learning, refers to the practical use of AI and ML technologies and methodologies to solve real-world problems and enhance the capabilities of various applications and systems. Now let's understand this better by getting deep into two real-world use cases. There is a company called Calon Cardio. Calon's focus is in the development of innovative mechanical circulatory support devices like the miniature implantable blood pump for the treatment of patients with chronic heart failure. Now, to build a device like this requires extensive blood chemistry analysis to verify the blood handling performance. It also requires a novel blood flow design which reduces the risk of blood damage and thrombus formation. Now, this mystery company worked with Calon Cardio and used AI and ML to reduce all these risks and develop a miniature model which is commencing human trials. How brilliant is that? Now, the second real-world use case comes from the high-end technology industries, businesses such as aerospace and motorsport manufacturers, which were the early adopters of a technique called metal additive manufacturing or metal AM. So at a very high level, metal additive manufacturing or metal 3D printing is the process of making a three-dimensional solid object of nearly any shape or design from a computer-generated framework. Now, this metal additive manufacturing or metal 3D printing sounds so complicated. Just imagine the complexity of the printers and the components inside them. So there is this company called Velo 3D printer called Sapphire XE. Now they wanted to optimize the flow of gas in the printer build chamber to eliminate the soot buildup in the laser windows of the system. And this printer was in production. So this mystery company, they tied up with Velo 3D and they used their artificial intelligence enabled physics workflows to decode the flow of gas inside the printer chambers and was able to build a new design which eliminated 100% of the soot buildup. This is just amazing. Now you must be thinking AI and ML can solve so many other things. Why I brought these specific use cases? There are so many other use cases we can talk about. So you know what? The first use case, Calon Cardio, is building artificial blood pumps to save patients from chronic heart failure. And the second company, Velo 3D, the metal 3D printing machines which are used to print lighter and safer components for aerospace and airlines industry. Now, these are some things which the engineers and scientists solving these real-world problems can be proud of. Then these are also the physics and engineering challenges which require thorough knowledge of fluid dynamics and related physics. These challenges challenge you and help you grow, and it requires strong problem-solving skills and the ability to analyze, identify causes, and recommend solutions quickly. These are just brilliant real-world problems to be solved using applied AI and ML. So now let's talk about this mystery company. What is this mystery company that worked and collaborated with Calon Cardio and Velo 3D to solve their engineering challenges? So it's time for the big reveal. Drum rolls! The mystery company, the most innovative company, is PhysicsX.ai. So once the company page loads, you see it's a very minimalistic design. And the company is into building AI and simulation engineering technologies to reinvent the design and operation of machines and products in advanced industries, with a strong focus on application impacting the climate and human health. And if you go to find out more, you can go through the About Us section, which will give you a more detailed perspective on what the company actually does. Also, you can meet the leadership team and connect with them on LinkedIn. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. During this video, I shared two amazing technologies. One is the artificial blood pump and the other is metal additive manufacturing. Please let me know in comments below which of these you want me to cover in detail, how AI and ML is helping to solve this complex challenge. Also, if you have any other feedback or suggestion, please leave me a comment below. This is Abhishek signing off. I will see you next time. Until then, peace and joy.